WhatsApp, an app developed by Facebook that has become an important communicating and texting app in our day-to-day daily life. But this mind-satisfying app can break your mind and can change your life also. Do you want to know how? We'll definitely go through this one. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Main Boss Kodon, back again with another video as promised. And today's video is based on Pegasus, a spyware that can make your life hell. What can this spyware do to your life? We'll definitely come to that. But before that, let's understand what Pegasus is and how it got created and for what reason it got created. So WhatsApp has declared that it had got hacked by a spyware. A spyware so dangerous that it can literally hack into your cell phone and can get all the informations of your personal life you can ever imagine. What are the consequences? Your texts, your front and back camera, your images, you might have some intimate things in your gallery. All those things will now be hacked by some unknown people sitting back at some other country. Now let's know how Pegasus came to its origin. An Israeli company named NSO Groups have created this spyware to spy on people. But what kind of people? Number one, journalists. Journalists who are exceptions than the others. Number two, spy on human rights activists. Number three, anti-government people like terrorists and anti-social people. This spyware was made saying that it will help the respective government and its agencies to track down this kind of people and keep 24/7 eyes on them, knowing what activities they're doing and what kind of conversations they're having and what their plans are. But just imagine, what if the same is done with the civilians? What about our privacy? NSO Groups says that they create cyber intelligence for global security. Global security? Excuse me? I think it's a global threat. It's a threat in the international level. NSO Group says that they create technologies that helps governments and their agencies from preventing and investigating on terrorism and crimes to save thousands of lives around the globe. It actually helps them to keep 24/7 eyes on this kind of groups, anti-socials and terrorists kind of groups, and to track down their activities, their plans, their conversations, everything. But what if this software, this spyware is used against the civilians like you and me? What if our privacy has been hacked? I don't want my privacy to get hacked by some unknown spyware that is not detectable at any cost. And obviously the local citizens will not spend huge amount of money to send their phone to different laboratories where they detect spywares, and that's never gonna happen. So what about our personal securities? What about our privacies? There are many ways in which this spyware gets installed inside your cell phone, but the two most important ones are through messages and through WhatsApp call. Let's talk about the message part. All of a sudden your cell phone receives an unknown message where when you open the message it says that you have won, say, like $30,000 and you're the lucky one that got selected amongst so many populations out there, and to do the necessary things to claim the money, click link down below. And as soon as you click on that link, a new blank browser tab opens in your cell phone and nothing appears on that browser. It just completely goes blank. And then you think that there might be something wrong with the internet, or maybe the browser is not working properly at the current stage. So you just ignore the message, you keep your cell phone aside. But without your consent, as soon as you clicked on that link, this spyware Pegasus gets installed inside your cell phone, deep inside the operating system, and it is compatible for both Android and Apple iPhones. So both the operating systems can have this spyware inside. So how this is a security at stake, I would say. The second one is your WhatsApp. All of a sudden you receive a missed call. It doesn't even matter you received that call or you just let it go. Just a missed call is enough to get this spyware get installed inside your cell phone. And it is so smartly built that it's barely detectable. And it detects each and every activity that you do in your day-to-day life. It sends information of your messages through text and screenshots in real time. Your call list, your incoming, your outgoing, everything is tracked. Your cell phone speakers at the bottom part are hacked. So your phone is laying down idle and you're doing nothing, but someone is listening to your conversations, whatever you are speaking at you, maybe at your home or with a group of friends or in a party, or you're having some intimate discussions with your life partner. Someone is listening. Can you even imagine? And you're browsing data, obviously. So they get all the personal details and your day-to-day life activities tracked. Now, these are not small hackers. There are big people behind it. And the most disgusting thing that comes in my mind is that though the government knows that this company can misuse this spyware against the civilians, they are not banning it. Instead, they are using it for their necessities. Leave NSO Group Say like the government someday wants to spy on us, and he allows the operators to hack into civilian personal lives. What then, huh? The most surprising thing about this spyware is your phone never gets overheated. So like you're playing PUBG on your cell phone, and since your PUBG is using a huge amount of data, our cell phones naturally gets overheated, right? It's not an uncommon thing. We all know our phone gets overheated when we play intense cell phone games. But when this spyware gets installed in your phone never overheats. Well, this might be an advantage, but max of it is disadvantages. This spyware came into public awareness in 2016, but very less people came to understand what are the risks of this spyware. But more and more people are coming to awareness and coming to know about this spyware Pegasus nowadays. But with time, even Pegasus is developing and getting smarter and smarter with time. The next thing is, even if you restore your phone, the factory settings, you just erase everything out from your cell phone and you format everything and turn your phone into a new one. But still, somehow, this spyware stays active. Why? Because when it was active in your cell phone, it came to know about what kind of websites you open, what kind of accounts you handle, bank details, passwords, your Facebook ID, your pictures, everything. So as soon as you restart your phone after format, this spyware from somewhere linked with your accounts, it leaves something behind, and as soon as you reopen your phone after formatting it completely, it detects your phone back again and gets reinstalled in it. Lastly, but the most dangerous one, is Pegasus has come up with a new feature, a feature that can actually kill you. If not kill you, but definitely can make you handicapped in some way to a certain limit. How? Through its new feature, self-destruction mode. One message, one click on one unknown link, and the countdown starts, and boom, your cell phone bursts on your face, on your hand, near to your chest. That's my dog, annoying, barking, ignore it. So self-destruction mode is its new features. Now let me give you some tips through which you might get a little bit safer from this spyware. Number one, hide your camera, your cell phone front and back cameras with stickers, temporary stickers, so that you can peel it off and reattach it to your cameras. Restore your cell phone, the factory settings, and after you format everything from your phone, don't switch it on unless you log in through some other system a system with which you have never connected or paired your cell phone with, and go and change all the passwords of all your accounts. And once you're done with that, you can re-switch on your cell phone. But another thing that you also need to keep in your mind is that keep your Bluetooth, your cell phone internet data and the Wi-Fi constantly off unless it is required. As soon as the requirement gets filled up, switch it off back again, because obviously this spyware needs some sort of connection media to operate and send things back to them. So if there is no Bluetooth, there is no cell phone internet on, if there is no Wi-Fi that your cell phone is connected to, then there is no way of connection for these people to operate and reach to your cell phone. So use your connections whenever it is necessary, and as soon as the necessity ends, switch it back off. Yet there might be risks. If you ask me personally, this last tip will not be applicable for everybody, but if it is possible for you, and if you see that something's fishy in your cell phone, get rid of it, sell it, throw it, buy a new one, continue with your life. But if you are unable to buy a new phone and throw the previous one away, you do hide your camera, cover it up with temporary stickers so that your personal life stays personal. That being said, this is everything about Pegasus, this spyware. I know this video was not that up to mark because I have never came face to face speaking to a camera lens, but with time I will get habituated like everybody does, and I will see you on the next one, and the next one will even give you more chills. Till then, take care, have a good day, stay blessed, help others, and I, Meme Boscodon, will see you on the other side. On 1, 2, 3. What's up everybody, this is Meme Boscodon back again with another video. Shut up. That's my dog. 1, 2, 3. What's up everybody, this is Meme Boscodon and here I am back again. One, two, three. On 1, 2, 3. What's up has been. Will you just shut up? That's my dog. So annoying. First of all, making these videos are so tough. And over that, this dog